We are a part of this catastrophic event, and our hope is to continue to shine a spotlight. It's not over after the smoke goes down. We have, months, if not years, of repairs to make. Part of delivering the relief baskets was driving through the fire zone, and we saw families there sifting through what was left of their homes. So we just stopped. And you're worried that when you walk up, they just went through hell. The thing that we found out was that 99.9% of people really wanted to talk. And so it became not just about giving out relief baskets, but listening to their story.
The most important thing is that we understand what these people are going through, that we have the sympathy and compassion to step up, to get people engaged so that we can make sure that we're supporting them correctly, to be an advocate in the community, to step out and talk to people about how important this is, not just for Harry and David, but for the entire Rogue Valley.
I think when tragedy happens like this, it reminds you of how strong the community is.
Everybody came together to help people whose lives were destroyed.
For something that's gone so tragic, there are so many people here that love and take care of each other that it still feels like home.
We chipped in our little piece as a company, but it's just the start. It's going to take a long time to get the community back on its feet.
Everybody can help in some way. We ask everybody, no matter how small a gift is or how big a gift is, to give something, to show your support.
All the people that are supporting and donating everything has just been a blessing. I could not do it without the extra support.